Na kabenta ki khubor baman kasni pet but subscribe ya u Antor News. Kublay pi baro kini kilong ki khubor bam da kasni. Shnong Mawlyndep Kabadan Haribhoi District kadai na Shnong ki bahab ka model village bala itu da ka sarkar India ban pelongkum ka way na Shnong ban penyo shibun ki jingmentoy lingba ki scheme bala penyo da MP ka Rajya Sabha u Dr. W.R. Kharluki. Shnong Mawlyndep kalongkum ka model village na Shnong bala shim da MP ka Rajya Sabha ban adopt bat penyo ki scheme penroy. Shushu kate Shnong ha ka jingalam urang ba Shnong uba jino kharbuki kalayale shitong ban penyo ki scheme sarkar ha ki babon ki liang lagadai na ka sarkar jilla ni India. Kawai na ki kambalawan ra Mawlyndep kare ka jingay ki work order jong ka Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana PMAY shakinong yo jimentoy na ka Shnong Mawlyndep Umsning C&RD Block Ribhoi District Lingba ka Sansad Adhash Gram Yojana SAGY2 Balasam da Umintri Rangba ka Jilla Konrad ki Sangma kum ukong san ha ka jingelang ka Lincoln bala pelong haying Dorbar Hall min ha ka Khat South Rek unai lor.
The first unit will be ready. How are you?
Shimon, आज का समंदर पर एक ही विशाल छह जवान आपका समंदर पर हजर शिमन शिमन रंजोर के लिए आगे चलते शिमन समंदर पकड़ सेट समंदर रंजोर
is the handing of PMAYG MGNREGS. Ladies and gentlemen, this is a moment of pride that the Chief Minister Badan Burongjongi, Kongjesmen. Kubleshi. She is also the lone orphan of our Miss Mary Mawlong.
I did not pick the village myself. I sit with the Chief Minister, and of course he allowed me the privilege to pick up Khasitan Hills. But if Garo Hills is as my choice. So we will have to help Minister to see that they also, it is really in full swing here. They, as not that, we don't know what to kedai ke scheme jom fi baik ba keba kedai kaji kuah jom Prime Minister beri ke kela ha ki nonggendong jongi ki pedon kedai ke scheme jongi but kat pengilang perlong eka ke model village khenang ba ki wei ki shnong ki ni ba kumjoro ngatrai sir I would express to you, sir, well, if this is successful, then I think you and all your MLAs and ministers, you should have some amount of money to have model village in that constituency. But of course, it's quite difficult also because since you are elected, then if you give one village, other village will think otherwise. But at least we are nominated by you, so I have no problem. Kedai di persang kaba di persang kum kinong nikmat bani I ba di trekam kejongi kumno gilah berwarna di kena. Dengan community boleh try kerja untuk menangkap bani. Bagi kalau bimut itemu kerja baik baru untuk menunggu. Tangkata boleh sebut.
There's a sizable number of people who travel this road every day for their business, for their different activities. They have no other way except this road. So I don't want to lengthen my speech. Ngaki bok kituyang ba ka juk ka parin ka day panduno. Mensua aba ka office block ka ay pisa aya ibaday banyo. Ki ay pisa banlit hit kunsnian. Arkusan ajar kawawan hayin kada ka clicks niya mo ngi misuse ya to fun dengan om matakas ni pin sayo kawo
Employment Transition Council Paganggon hi kasi kitle marhaba ki training camp pa can try at any designation mo at say dia kata di kamang train long ni sto ilan kasko abon man ni fikir ya abang idon hanne kasko Mawlyndep barngai iya di pol bisa long kuno ba pipi pa di kalong kuno kasko abon kernawi fi kendia ba nado bi adopt honorable MP yang ini kadang katain katrai di lawan kada kajin kerkush ke bersisa. Yang hamil kene ka hall katrai kene ka maka contribution nak lang MP pat katu katne god kibel bersisa. Pat habala de snai kene ka community hall. Kadi sisa kata community hall babangi siu ni kata ka role model mo siu ni kene ka structure jo kene bang implement kelek soda. Long ke jin sorong nam ta shnong Mawlyndep ki markin song shnong na po shnong Mawlyndep ki thawi ke ni yen do ba long kum de ba ki sa copy is a board plus ki wi shnong but long ke jin sorong se shi te ngai ba ta chung chung MP bi adopt ke ni ka village umde ta ni yen do ba ila yarab stage po unyo yen do ba yarab so po umero kidan ki initiative nam to ki bioflock ki bidan ne na try na do bagawan ke ni sarkar jingnam Konak ke sama honorable CM Jungi layo itu di Surabaya wala kan ke Surabaya kan long kumne na try na fiat sa sa naik labahan maka syukur mas na hele pada bahan
and when I say development should be inclusive, it means that it should be a development that reaches every corner of the state and at the same time is inclusive in terms of ensuring that different sectors, different communities, different groups of people who are working in different sectors, until and unless development does not touch all the lives of the people of our state and all the regions of our state, the development is incomplete. And hence from the last 6 years, in every work that we have been trying to do for our state and for our people, we have tried to include and be as broad as possible and try to come up with micro programs, large programs, whatever it takes. But different programs at different levels so that we are able to engage and able to really bring that overall development and real inclusive development to the people of our state. And hence our journey for the last 6 years has been very exciting, very challenging, but satisfying also to some level. And our journey for the next coming years, I hope that we'll be able to take forward the foundations that we have laid in these last 6 years and now take it forward to a different level in all aspects. And the program today of the PMAY program is again one step towards that. When we took over again in the second term of our MDA2 government, I had a very, very important meeting with my cabinet and with my officials. And I told them that in these next 5 years, we must go for a saturation model. And I want saturation in 5 social sectors or social infrastructures. Many others are there. I don't want to go into details of the other programs that we have laid down, but I will speak about these 5 because it's related to what we're doing today. And those 5 were, as Prime Minister has said, housing for all. We have roughly about 680,000 houses or individuals or families all across the state, which is lesser than maybe one district in a state like UP. And hence the target is not that big, but of course challenges are there. But if we put full focus and our mind and attention to it, we can do it. So we set out the target to have this Housing for All program along with PMAY, and those houses which are not included in PMAY, we come up with a plan B, and that was one of our goals. The second goal was power or connectivity to all. Connectivity means in terms of electricity connectivity. And hence, we worked on all the areas. We worked again with many government departments, center government. We have planned out the CM solar mission, through which about 200 megawatts of power will be installed in different houses. And we expect to touch anything between 50 to 70,000 households throughout the state. So we are working out on all these programs, but power and electricity connectivity for all was our second objective. Third was connectivity in general in terms of accessibility to a particular village for all. Be it road connectivity, and where it's not possible to give a road because the cost may be very, very high, we have ensured that we planned out on how we can have bridges and at least so that people can walk easily without any problem, like the project that our MLA was mentioning to you. So that was the third area which we were focused on. Fourth area was obviously water for all. And therefore, in the next 5 years, our target is to ensure that we complete all houses that do not have water supply. And wherever the problem, where the old pipes are there, how do we replace them and put better systems out here in the next 5 years? This was our fourth social infrastructure goal. And fifth was IT or mobile connectivity to all villages, and obviously we wanted internet connectivity through optical fiber to all block levels, and obviously subdivisions and districts were definitely included in that. So with
But